Hey everyone, ever watched a detective show and thought, wow, how do they crack the case with just a few clues? Or maybe you've seen a magician make something vanish into thin air and wondered, what sorcery is this? Well, guess what? Behind these mind-blowing deductions and seemingly impossible feats lies a simple logic principle that we can all master. Today, we're diving headfirst into the awesome world of logic, specifically the law of detachment. Now, before you switch off thinking this is some boring old philosophy lecture, hold on. This is a handy tool that can help you think sharper, make smarter choices, and avoid those awkward moments when you jump the gun. First thing first, what is this law of detachment? At its heart, the law of detachment is a rule that helps us draw solid conclusions from if-then statements. You know those everyday things we say like, if I ace this test, then I'm going to celebrate with a pizza. Let's break it down. Every if-then statement has two parts. The if part, this is the condition, the thing that needs to happen. In our example, it's acing the test. The then part, this is the outcome. What happens if the condition is met? Here, it's the well-deserved pizza party. The law of detachment says that if we know the if-then statement is true, and we also know the if part happened, then we can be sure the then part will happen too. Wait, don't jump the gun yet. There's a catch. We can't just assume the if part is true. We need to check it's absolutely fucking damn true. Let's say you think you aced the test, but did you really? Maybe you misread a question or two. If the if part isn't true, then the law of detachment doesn't work, and you might end up celebrating prematurely. This is important. The law of detachment only works if your if-then statement is solid, and you've checked that the if part is actually true. Let's see how this works in real life. A chef knows that if the dough doubles in size, then the yeast is working. They check the dough. It's huge. They know the yeast is doing its job. A gamer knows that if they complete all the side quests, then they'll unlock a secret ending. They finish every single quest. Bam! Secret ending unlocked. An artist knows that if they mix blue and yellow, then they'll get green. They mix the colors. Voila! Green paint. The law of detachment is kinda cool, but it has limits. If I wear my lucky socks, then I'll win the lottery. Nope. This is just superstition. Just because things happen together doesn't mean one causes the other. If I eat ice cream, then it will rain. This is silly. Now, you really need to believe in your if-then. If you don't truly believe it, you won't put in the effort to make the if part happen. The law of detachment isn't just some abstract idea. It's a way to think clearly and make better decisions. By using it, you can become a better thinker, make smarter choices, and solve problems like a pro. Okay, let's amp up those logic skills and see how the law of detachment can turn you into a master of your own destiny, or something like that. First off, the law of detachment helps you become a better thinker. By breaking down situations into if-then statements, you can avoid jumping to conclusions. You'll learn to analyze information carefully and look for evidence before making up your mind. No more awkward misunderstandings or embarrassing foot-in-mouth moments. Want to make smarter choices? The law of detachment can help you with that too. By setting clear if-then goals, you can create a roadmap for success. For example, if I finish this project by Friday, then I'll reward myself with a weekend getaway. The if motivates you, and the then gives you something to look forward to. It's a win-win. The law of detachment can also turn you into a problem-solving pro. By identifying the root cause of a problem using if-then analysis, you can find effective solutions. For example, if the printer isn't working, then it might be out of paper. Checking the paper tray might be all it takes to solve the problem. No need to call in the tech support just yet. Want to finally write that novel, learn that language, or run that marathon? The law of detachment can help you achieve your goals. Break down your big goal into smaller, manageable, if-then steps. For example, if I write 500 words every day, then I'll finish my novel in 3 months. Each small step brings you closer to your ultimate goal. Want to become a master negotiator? The law of detachment can give you the edge. By understanding the if-then motivations of the other party, you can tailor your offers to achieve a win-win outcome. For example, if I offer them a longer contract, then they might be willing to lower the price. It's all about understanding the logical connections. The law of detachment isn't just about logic, it's about creating a mindset for success. By setting clear if-then conditions and consistently taking action, you create a self-fulfilling prophecy. You start to believe that you can achieve your goals, and that belief fuels your actions. It's like a superpower. So embrace the law of detachment and watch your decision-making, problem-solving skills, and overall success reach new heights.